Hello everyone. So this is part 2 of a video. USPS dropped by some packages. I do not work for USPS, so don't send me hate mail, whatever you do. I just open these, and I left my knife downstairs. I should open them before I end up on camera. All right. So, what are we opening today? Mainstream Comics. Mainstream Comics has a good presence on Instagram. They also have websites. Do you hear other people refer to Mainstream Comics blind boxes as the Ducky boxes? Like, did you get a gold Ducky kind of thing? So in their box are 3 boxes. I ordered 2. One was the gold Ducky for January, I think. Yeah, for January. And the other one was just a generic $30 blind box. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out which is which. So what I ordered was the Golden Duckie mystery box. Okay. And they circled that one. So I wonder if all 3 of these go towards that one. I don't know. I'm going to open them. I'm going to see how much value there is in them. Because, I'll be honest, I got one for December or something like that, or one that they just put together on the fly. And, oh, okay. And I wasn't too impressed with the content. Now, that being said, they always package it well. They also very clearly mark where these are coming from. What I mean by that is in the bag of these comics, they put the invoice. So now I know what that is. So that's fantastic. They clearly have been doing this for a while, and they know what they're doing. Maybe I'm just an old man. I'm just an old man. Okay. And then the third one. Come on. I don't get blind boxes for the value. I get them for the content. It's great that they do that. Okay. So now I know where they're all coming from. The third one that I opened was the January mainstream mystery box. And that is the one I'm going to open first. All right. Big party bag. So this is advertising the Golden Duckie mystery box, which I believe is what I have here. So that's cool. That's my invoice. All right, so let's get started. Which way should this go? Go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Okay. This is very cool. This is not a comic. It's really hard to tell on camera. It is a print of Maxx. Yeah. 243 of 250. It's signed by the artist. Very intentionally done. And that's what's cool about this. Like, see how there's very precise boxes for what they wanted to fill in. It's very cool. So that's cool. So this is a Ducky. That's why you can see the duck there. Venom number 28 variant. Legacy number 193. That's cool. Got Null there with the sword. New release. Spawn 313. That's cool. It's amazing how much work McFarlane is doing. Running a company, toy lines, still pumping out art. It's crazy. Two Titanic Tales featuring Superman. So this is back when Superman split into blue and red Superman, and it was horrible. Rick and Morty go to hell. Okay. I am collecting these, as with every series. I just started collecting them, so this is cool. Amazing Spider-Man, number 50, and it's Silk's variant. So she is, I would say, almost featured in this comic. It's not just an appearance. It's like she's really in the story. Really cool. Nice variant. What do we have? Oh, okay, so yeah, okay. Yeah. 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 Another Vampirella. Another. How much I like them. I do not collect comics simply because they show skin. Vehemently against it. This is kind of cool. Deadpool classic. Marvel Volume 1. So shelf price is $30. So this box cost me $30. Clearly, I got the value for it. In the description of this video, I'll post what the value of the different comics are, according to several ways of measuring it. So that is cool. Okay, now we have Golden Duckie Mystery Box. So this is $100 box. It took me a lot to buy this box because I wasn't necessarily happy with like the $40 box or whatever that I got. Take a look. They are advertising their January mystery box, Golden Duckie reveal show. So that's cool. Yeah, got the same piece of art. Hit me up if you want it. Okay, new release. So Saber-Tooth Havoc and someone. I'm not putting this here. Spawn number 313. So this is a variant, or the other one's a variant of this. You know what I appreciate about Spawn? I haven't always been a fan. I'm a fan of McFarlane. Can we focus? No. What is going on? Why can't you focus on me? Whatever. I haven't always been a fan of Spawn. Always been a fan of McFarlane. As an artist and a business person, keeping the comics at $2.99 is a for the fans situation. Like, he's not doing that for his financial gain. Now this camera's irritating me. Flashback comic. So that's a cool comic. X Factor 37. Because of the speculation around, I think this is one of the more pricier flashback ones. Because of the speculation around X-Men, any X title is kind of getting that same attention. So X Factor's got pretty hot lately for no real reason. That's cool. I really like that. I would say that. Okay, I see. This is a reprint of Brave and the Bold 28, $3.99, new style barcode. That's how you can tell. And the moment you open it up, you'll know. Symbiote Spider-Man #2 variant. It's cool. I think Spider-Man covers have got better after the PlayStation game Spider-Man, because they kind of, maybe it's because people expect to see a very flowing in motion Spider-Man. Wolverine, black, white, and blood. That's a cover. Yeah. Here's the goal. There's our Harley Quinn. So Batman White Knight on the black label during Harley Quinn. That's book #1. Now with this, you get a slab. So this is very ironic. So it's Spawn 309. And it is a 9.8 for CBCS. I actually prefer CBCS. I really do. I'm not a slab collector. I understand the value of them. I understand why people get them, both for kind of hoarding valuable comics, or flipping comics, or whatever the case might be. But I prefer raw comics, and it's not so I can read them. I read digital comics. This is really for. I feel like you're closer to the comic. If you really wanted to open it, you could and read it. I know it sounds lame. So, according to GoCollect.com, a 9.8 Spawn variant. So this is a variant. I think it's a 2-gun variant. Is $95. 9.6 is $55. And because this is CBCS, I would say that it'd probably get around 80. It's like some of that is because it seems inflated over the 9.6. And then part of it, the other thing is that people still undervalue what CBCS brings to the table. That's cool. I definitely got the value out of that one. Harley Quinn's really hot right now. The Wolverine 2's hot. Symbiote Spider-Man's hot. Yeah, so I think I got my value. Probably around 130 is my guess. We'll find out in the description below. All right. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Thanks for putting up with my unfocusing camera.